स्वागत है आप सभी का 2025 की प्लेसमेंट जर्नी में। हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं लीड कोड की टॉप 150 प्रॉब्लम्स को, जो कि पूछी गई हैं मल्टीपल टाइम्स इंटरव्यूज में। सो बेसिकली वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1 विच इज मर्ज शॉर्टेड एरेज। सो बेसिकली हमको दिए हुए हैं दो एरेज नेम्ड एज num1 and num2, and they are containing m and n elements respectively. So num1 is having m elements and num2 is having n elements. So basically हम इसे real life से relate कर सकते हैं. Like if you go to the market and collect some of the items in your bucket 1, and there is another bucket 2 for the another items, and you arrange some of the items in bucket 2. So what we have to do, we have to merge those items in a single bucket, which is the bucket 1, which is capable to hold all the items. To solve this problem, we'll apply a three-pointer approach. The first pointer is pointer m, which is of the num1, and second is of the num2, which is n. And we'll use the third pointer, which is end index, and we are using end/idx to store or to indicate the position of the num1 bucket, the ending position of the num1 bucket, to place the element of num2 at the last of num1 according to the non-decreasing order, which is ascending order. So basically we will contain all the elements of num1 into len1, and then that pointer in index that will point out to the last position of the num1. We'll check the conditions if both the buckets having elements greater than 0, which is n and m in the while loop. And in the next condition, we will check if in the bucket num2 is the last element of bucket num2 is greater than the last element of the bucket n1, we will place the last element of num2 at the last position of the num1, which is the bucket 1. And else, if the element of the num1 is greater, then we will decrease both the pointers index and that end index pointer and that m pointer, which is of the bucket 1. And there is another case which contains, like, if you are filled with the bucket num1 with all the elements, and still there are some elements left in the bucket 2, which is num2. So what you have to do, you just have to check how many numbers of elements are in the bucket 2 and have to clone it. You have to just put it into the bucket 1 at the last of the bucket 1. So this is the optimal solution of the code. We can run it, we can submit this problem and check the complexities as well. So on running, we can check the results. So basically all the test cases have been passed, and you can check the complexities, and I guess the complexities should work fine. Yes, it beats all the solution. It is 100%. And congratulations, you have solved your first problem. Be connected for quicker and optimized solutions of the LeetCode problems, and enhance your knowledge, make your presence in the interviews more vital, more engaging, and get success as easy as possible. Thank you for watching.